Oh wow, oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Okay, so we're not. Why not zooming? Here we are. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, bloody hell. This virus is, God. This virus is getting worse by the freaking day. And what we need is positiveness, calmness, and getting closer. There we go. Getting closer. Yeah. We need to get this spread under control because it's just it's absolute madness, to tell you the truth. And really I should be used to green tea time. Self-isolate and go out if you need to, just to get food or whatever. But yeah, just keep safe, keep hand washing, do the social distancing thing. Going shopping for a bit of food tomorrow. I'm dreading it, but yeah, it needs to be done. So what I'm going to do today, what I'm going to do is unbox this unbox this GLOSSYBOX March edition. This is a mystery box really, because I missed out on the March Mother's Day one, but got this for £8. I entered a code. I don't think you can get it now, but let's open it. I'm going to be doing quite a lot of meditating over this period, being so I can't even walk out to the park anymore now. So what I've found out is Trinity from Matrix, she has this meditation program. I can join for free, that's of it, and she talks you through with it. This is how mad, can't even speak well. It's how it's getting to people, can't speak, can't whatever. But anyway, going to Love Anna Pure Living. She does meditation and, you know, calmness and all that, what you need in your life really. Peaceful tools for panic times, definitely. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go outside where it's nice and calm and no speaking around me. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Yeah, go and check her out, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's get on to this unboxing this mystery March GLOSSYBOX. Glossy. I can't even speak well. Glossy. Come on, man. Anyway, comes in this wrap package. Shall I disinfect this? I don't know. But stuff it here. It's only a cardboard box, so I won't disinfect it. So anyway, I've got this Witcher. As people would have seen on my Instagram, I like the Witcher now. So I've got this necklace. This was, I think, £5-6. So yeah, I'm so happy with the Witcher right now. I've stopped filming because of this virus shit, especially Matrix 4 stopped filming. I'm so pissed off about that. But I've been watching Matrix over and over and over. Comment below if you like Matrix trilogy or Keanu Reeves. I do. He's been my, oh my god, he's been my favourite actor since I was about 20, 19. When did I first saw The Matrix? 2001. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I like Keanu Reeves. I love him. But anyway, let's get on to this. Comes in a little bowl. A little sticker. You open it up and not very bedazzling. I haven't even got a fucking leaflet. I haven't even got a leaflet, guys. Why has all these beauty gurus always got a leaflet in the box and I haven't? Is it because they've got millions of they've got millions of subscribers and they've got little leaflets with the box and I effing don't? Just because I've got just 108 subscribers. Fucking bitches. But anyway, what a load of crap, really. I'm not going to do this again. Anyway, I've got the True Soft shampoo from Maria Nilla in Stockholm. I think I should disinfect these. Yeah, I'll disinfect these later. This is a 100% vegan and cruelty free, cruelty softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben free, colour guard complex and produced in Sweden. I've got the shampoo and the conditioner like this. I'm going to disinfect these, so yeah, let's the next thing I've got is this Michelin Peach Flora number 1 Fine Edition, and it's a little thing there. Okay, I'm not going to touch it much. Oh, it smells like smells like they call it Cop sweets, little black sweets. That's quite I quite like that. I've touched them and I'm touching my hair. Oh no. Now just touch the mirror and the camera. Good. Oh. Good. Got nothing. Anyway, let's get through this quick. I'm panicking now. This is a Selfie Skin Coconut Oil Nourishing Sheet Mask. Right there. Put it on for 15 minutes. You massage the product in your skin. One of nature's most powerful ingredients, secret to coconut's legendary status, fatty acids, weird name but mega softening, full glowing healthy looking skin. I think I'll need that right now. What have I done? Okay, the last thing I've got is this Bang Beauty eyeliner from bangbeautyofficial.com. Right. These are my real nails, by the way, no fake here. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Wait 1 minute. This looks like the stick. Ah, Steve Laurent. What the hell? What? What? It's like Steve Laurent one, and that's a Bang Beauty one. This is so cool. What? Okay, this is weird. How do I open it? Can't find the freaking end here. Can't find the key. You hear me? I want to open it. I can't open it. Where the hell is the freaking end? Guys, I can't even... Oh my god. Twist it. I can't. What the heck? Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Good job, it's protected. See what the shitty virus shit looking. Right, felt tip eyeliner in black. Bang Beauty. Hope you can see that. Bang Beauty. And this one is the Steve Laurent one. They are so similar. I'm not coming down or anything. I don't know what to touch. Oh. That's a little tip. Let's have a look at this Steve Laurent. Oh fuck. That's the Steve Laurent one. I've got black on me. Okay, so they're really similar. They are similar. They are freaking similar. Same. Let's try it. This is Steve Laurent. That's a Steve Laurent. And this one is the Bang. Let's try it. Let's zoom it in. Zoom it in there. Hope you can see me. Remember, this is the Bang Beauty one. Okay. Not very good at eyelining, but okay. Yeah, that's the Bang one. Bang bang into your room, and then you want it bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. And that's the Steve Lauren. Let's see that. This is a Bam Beauty one, and this is the Steve Lauren one. Are they both the same? Why? I don't know. But Steve Lauren and Bam Beauty. Okay. Okie dokie. So yeah, that's the glossy box for this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, be safe, social distance, you've got it.